country can never be better than its savings, because the maximum you can invest is equal to the maximum you can save. It is really great to see the investment the president have talked about. And I'm glad the foreigners are investing. But unfortunately, the truth is, the return to those investments will not be Kenyans. And will destabilize our foreign exchange, because every time at the end of the year dividend is declared, we have to look for foreign currency to remit the dividend. We Kenyans must rise and be the owners of investments in our country. There is no shortcut to it.